Why do we have to walk this far just to get to the resort Saul? Well, that's because it's a fancy resort, Mira. We want the best room, top floor, perfect view, and absolutely no noise. Oh, and super private, please. I know this isn't much, but please, I need the cheapest room.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We only have one left, and it's quite old.
I wonder what Rumi's room will be like. An empty room, perhaps? If she's lucky, she'll have a heater. Ha! It's not that bad. At least the room looks warm. And I'll have a place to stay for the night.
Good morning, ladies. May I interest you in a delightful dinner this evening?
We would be absolutely thrilled. Yes, thank you so much. I wish I didn't have to be alone tonight.
And here are the high-end shirt models, limited edition just for our VIP customers.
Oh, they're exquisite. I adore them.
This is the cheapest shirt in our store.
Thank you. I only need it to be warm. Rumi, no wonder you're cold. That jacket should have been retired years ago. Isn't this weather amazing for skiing? It's perfect. How about a bet on who gets the first run? Loser buys hot chocolate. You're on. Take that. Got her. Let's go. Bye. Oh. That's not fair. Why would you do that? Rumi should realize she doesn't belong here. Yes, she should leave. No. It's getting closer. We're not gonna make it. Faster. I can't look. Just ski. Don't look back. Hold on. I'm coming for you. Hold tight. Mira, Zoe, can you hear me? I have to get you back to the resort right now. What happened? How did we get back here? When I was half awake.
Rumi, we're so sorry. You still saved us even after everything we did. We're friends.
This is the best day ever. I love skiing with my best friends.
Me too! It's moments like this I'll remember forever.
Hello, everyone. Rumi!
Let's see if she can dance again.
All eyes are on her now. Oh no, Rumi! What happened? Rumi! Wait for me! Oh no, my foot!
That's what you deserve.
Hurry! We don't have much time! Please, I'm so hurt. Don't worry, you're gonna be okay. We're almost there.
It's gonna be okay, I promise. We're almost to the treatment room.
It just hurts so much right now.
As you can see here, the tibia is fractured. It's a clean break, but she'll need a cast.
Oh no. Is she in much pain? When can we see her?
I'm afraid the total medical expenses are quite high.
How am I supposed to pay for this? I don't have that much. How could this happen? I can't dance ballet with this leg. I know it hurts now, but you're strong.
This is an outrage. She doesn't deserve this.
Everything is really bad.
Wow, I can dance. Good, just like that. Now try again.
Remember your posture. You're doing so good.
Thank you.
One more time. Good job, Zoe.
Good luck. You can do it.
I can do it. Believe in yourself. Try hard, and you will win. Thank you, everyone. I am so incredibly happy. I can't believe I won! This is amazing!
Doctor! I will pay all the hospital bills with my prize. Rumi, I believe you will be fine.
The surgery was successful. Your friend is fine.
Thank you.
The surgery was successful, and I won the ballet competition.
Oh my goodness.
Take it slow. Be careful. You're doing great.
Thank you for trying for me.
Of course, we are best friends. Okay, smile everyone. Ready? Please. Yes. Oh, we have to post that one right now. Where am I? Oh no, this can't be happening. I have to get out of here. Hold steady now. I need to secure this barrel. There, that should hold against the waves. Is anyone out there? I need help. Please, if you can hear me. I don't know where I am. I'm so hungry. Oh, I think I've got one! Yes! What? Look at that! This tray is rusty, but it could help collect water. This grilled fish delicious! I love eating by the sea. Where am I? How did I get here? This doesn't make any sense. Help! I'm over here! Please help!
Control, Unit 12, orange smoke sighted on the island. Moving in for a closer look. Roger that, descending now.
Help! I'm out here! Can anyone hear me? I need help! Please, I'm right here! There, the island is just ahead.
Copy, adjusting course now. Grab on tight!
Okay, I'm in!
Great, watch your step.
Thanks for the lift! This is the best day ever! It really is, I'm so happy.
It means a lot to share it with you.
It's all gone. Why did this happen to me? I just want my hair back. Hey, look at me.
It's all right. Just breathe. I've got you.
Wait! I get it now! The treasure isn't buried, it's floating! Full speed ahead! Wow, I can't believe I finally made it here. This place is incredible. Look at these columns. Style isn't just born, darlings, it's made. And this look? It's absolutely perfect, just like me.
Where is it? No, no, no! Where is my wig? It was right here! Oh God, it's gone! My hair is gone!
Ta-da! I thought this shade of pink would look amazing on you.
Oh wow, wow, wow! It's perfect! I absolutely adore it! Thank you!
Oh my gosh, I absolutely adore the pink. It totally fits you.
Right? I'm so glad I finally did it. Come here. I'm having such a great time with you today. Me too. This is the happiest I've been all week. It's okay, let it out. I'm right here.
I just don't understand why they had to be so mean.
They're gonna regret this, I promise you.
Hey, check this out. Look at that dome. Oh my gosh, she waxed her head. Oh, I assure you, this is gonna hurt me much more than it hurts you. Just kidding. I'm gonna enjoy every second. Look, it's smooth. There's nothing there. How could this happen?
Hey, breathe. It's gonna be all right.
I can't do this anymore. I try, but it feels like there's no point. I'm all alone. Why did this have to happen? I feel so ugly without hair.
That's not true. You are beautiful, inside and out. I'm right here with you.
Look at her head. It's so shiny.
Hysterical!
She looks like a giant thumb.
I can't do this anymore. I'm sorry.
Wait, please don't go.
You are utterly useless. Look at this filth.
She actually looks like she might cry.
How dare you bring these pathetic pastries to me?
I look so beautiful.
Thank you. This looks wonderful.
I'm glad you think so.
Look at those dresses, simply divine.
So elegant, so regal. I cannot believe you showed up here. You are not welcome. Get out of this party right now.
Don't do it, please. I'm sorry. I apologize for everything. Just don't jump. Are you all right? What happened?
I don't know. Where are we? Try a little more. It is your favorite after all.
You always know just how to spoil me.
Woohoo! Keep it coming. You're doing great. Don't stop now.
I'm so sad. I've gained so much weight. I've become obese just from eating too much. We're making great time. Keep pushing.
Feeling good. Let's finish strong. You can do it. Don't stop now. Keep going. Come on, you got this. Keep pushing. Let's go.
Look at this dress.
It's magnificent.
Welcome back to the runway. We have an incredible show lined up for you today, so let's get started.
This is the happiest day of my life. I am so glad you all could be here to witness this moment.
Medal.
She got the medal.
It's rigged. She's absolutely awful.
Thank you all so much. I couldn't have done it without you.